From visionary to global leader, Nitrex has driven innovations in heat treating for industrial manufacturing over the past 40 years, shaping today and future generations. Our mission? Harnessing the power of engineering, metallurgy, and cutting-edge technology to transform ordinary metals into extraordinary components, achieving unparalleled tolerances and maximum performance. We don't just treat surfaces, we redefine them, ensuring the highest standards of quality and performance. Each component that passes through our hands is optimized for its intended use. As the industry's sole integrated supplier, Nitrex leads with turnkey heat treat systems, control instrumentation, automation, and comprehensive heat treatment services, powered by cutting-edge technologies, providing unparalleled peace of mind to our clients. Our groundbreaking advancements in nitriding, nitrocarburizing, vacuum heat treatment, and coatings not only ensure cleaner, stronger parts, but also promote greener, more sustainable heat treating practices. Our UPC Marathon end-to-end control solutions enhance operational efficiency and extend the useful life of furnaces, benefiting furnace OEMs and equipment end users alike. For tier suppliers facing wear, fatigue, and corrosion challenges, our 9 global contract heat treating facilities offer over 30 cutting-edge processes. Supported by our in-house development team, we ensure efficiency and success at every stage of the process. Today, data is the cornerstone of modern heat treating. Our AI and machine learning platform, QMULUS, harnesses this data to empower heat treaters, optimizing performance, results, and streamlining operations. At the heart of our story are our people, our Nitrex family, experts with a passion for product design, metallurgy, and heat treatment processes, driven to push the boundaries of what's possible. As we march towards the future, Nitrex remains committed to sustainability through revolutionary technologies that optimize resources and safeguard the environment. We're not just shaping metal, we're shaping a greener, more sustainable world. With over 40 years of experience serving clients, we look forward to continuing to innovate and exceed expectations. Ready to elevate your project to new heights of excellence? Contact Nitrex today.